So hello folks and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's me, Techno Expert, and in today's video I'm going to teach you a simple method of playing the YouTube videos on background on your Android device. So just as you have known, you can easily do it on desktop. So in order to do it on mobile, so first you have to open Google Chrome. So sometimes you may want to do any assignments by playing music in the background, but you also have the split screen option, but that occupies some space of your screen, so that may be difficult for you to do your work. So the easier option is just open Google Chrome and go to the home page of YouTube, and as you can see the site is loaded in the mobile version. So just tap on the three dots and select desktop site. So wait for the site to load. So just as the site finishes loading, you can search for the video or select the video that you want to play on background. So I'm searching for my video, so there I click on the search button, and so as you can see I want to play the second video. So now the video is almost started playing. Wait, the internet connection is maybe a bit slow. So the video has started playing. So even if I go to the home page, the music is still playing in the background. So this is how you can easily play YouTube videos on the background. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Like the video if you found it useful. Please comment if you have any queries, and do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.